Two of Wands, worried about something, standing alone. It's like you have a very different opinion of people or of situation, not in a wrong way, but you're very different, like you think differently, and people around you do not agree to it, or they do not understand your way of doing things. So sometimes, it becomes a challenge for you to deal with people, and maybe right now you need that quality, or you need that sense where you can actually communicate in a right way with people around you. So I feel that you are trying to build yourself, like you're trying to improve yourself in regards to this. I know it's a very different reading, and maybe yes, somebody need to hear it. Two seems to be very important here. 2 days, 2 days are very important. We have got Two of Cups. See, it's like you need that emotional bonding with the people around you. I know that sometimes readings can point your energy, and here it feels like that you should start healing yourself, meditation. You are you are someone who is not wrong, but very I would say too practical to adjust with people around you. So maybe your job requires to deal with people, or you feel alone, you feel that you want someone in life, but that emotional side of yours is a little missing. So for that, I would say that you need to heal something which has hurt you in the past, or your past trauma, or your childhood trauma, that makes you very very hard in nature. But when you're alone now, you're very emotional. You too have that emotional feeling in you. You too want that space where you feel loved, cared, and you want someone to love you. But let's see what the cards have to say. The Emperor, see, it's like the cards are revealing the same thing. Maybe your past experience has been very hurtful, and that is how you've changed into a person who's very practical, who, again, I'm telling you, it's not wrong, but yes, you need to have a little emotional side because you're dealing with people around you. So yeah, that is what I would say. 4 2, multiples of 2 are important. There is a boundary you have created, and it's with time. It's not that you were like this from start, but you changed because something has hurt you. 6 of Pentacles, you feel that you're always giving. You were always the person who was ready for people, always there for people, and that is what has hurt you deep down. Pentacles, stability. You have changed because you need stability in life, and you think that emotions will actually drain you down. See, 4 of Cups, oh my god, all the cards are pointing towards the same energy. Even when someone offers you that love, care, or someone sends you an emotional message, you have created a wall in front of you, where you're not letting anyone enter your personal space. And maybe that is because that you've done a lot in the past. We have 4 again. No, oh yeah, 4 again. Oh my god. We have 2 4 6. So multiples of 2 4, like 2 is very important. This is a very beautiful energy. It's like the cards are aligning to the reading. Emotions, we have grounding, we have all the signs. We have earth sign, we have water sign, we have fire sign. And see, the 3 cups are standing. It's like giving a sign that yes, you have the love inside you, you have that emotions. It's just not coming out at the right time. That is what I feel. Oh my god, the Lovers card. This is like, to be frank, sometimes when people ask me that, how does the reading, go so smoothly, like someone is suffering and there is a beautiful end. And that's life, right? Because when you're suffering, you're also healing something in you. So that's how the reading also shows the same thing. So we have the lovers card. That means there is love for you. There is so much of I would say success and beautiful things for you, that you're not able to see that because of that wall, I would say. So once you connect with people, once you understand that feeling, you don't have to be very emotional, you have to have boundaries, but you have to understand that even the other person, the opposite person, is a human and they have feelings too. So that is this lovers card is representing that you know even if you ever be in a relationship, the okay, I was like literally shocked. This is six number, all the cards. I'll just show you again. We have six, this is four, this is six, this is four, this is the first two cards were two. Oh my god. So yes, six represents two represent emotions, four represent the stubborn energy, someone who acts rebellious but still has emotions, and six represents the love, the care, the safe environment. So the lovers card at the end is truly and clearly saying that yes, there the divine is blessing you. That wall is the wall is the trauma, something you went through the past. So it's not your personality, it's just that you need that healing, so that the wall demolishes. And yes, the protection, the boundary is still needed, so you have to protect yourself, be grounded, and also connect with people. So it's a very beautiful reading. And if you were there's one more message over here at the end, that if you were looking for love, if you had a bad past experience in love, there is someone who is going to be very transparent, someone who's going to love you with their whole heart, because it is divine blessed love, it is your soulmate energy. So next 6 months are very important. In this period you are going to heal yourself. You have to accept it, that yes, this is my trauma, or this is my problem that I need to resolve it. You have to be true to yourself, not to others, not to anyone, but true to yourself, and that's how you heal, and that's how you attract the love and care you want. So this is a very beautiful reading and I loved this reading. So